Meaning of delightful.
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 Delightful. The term delightful refers to something that is highly pleasing or enjoyable, often eliciting feelings of happiness and satisfaction. A delightful experience or object can bring a sense of joy and contentment to individuals who encounter it. It is characterized by its ability to evoke positive emotions and create a lasting impression. The term can be used to describe a wide variety of things, such as a delicious meal, a beautiful view, or an entertaining performance. Overall, anything that brings a sense of delight or pleasure can be considered delightful.